Previous video I have shown you guys how to create a table using XHTML and CSS. In this video we are going to see how to put a header for those tables, because without the heading you don't know what is this table is about. It's just gonna appear as a blank table. So in order to put the title, let's see how to do that. First I am opening the text edit, new document. Here I'm gonna start from scratch. First one is exclamation doc type HTML, and then HTML. Then I finish the HTML with \HTML. Inside of this HTML, we are going to have the head, and then finish it with \head. And inside, okay, we are gonna, whatever we are dealing with is inside the body. So let's start the body after the head. Body right here, and then I finish the body with \body. And inside the body we are going to have a table, table, and as I mentioned in my previous video, if we just leave it as table, we are not going to have any border. So in order to create the line, we have to put this one: table border is equal to 1, and this should be in quotation mark. This is equal to, and that's it for this one. And table, we finish it with \table, \table. And here what we are going to do is we are going to create 3 rows and 3 columns. In first column we are going to have the name of the person and what movie they played. In the second column we are going to have what movie they played, and in the third column we are going to have who they love. Okay, we are going to create 3 columns like that. Let's see how to do that. Okay, table and table tr, and I finish this with \tr, and inside of this one, within this one, we are going to have the table header. First we are going to put the table header. To put the table header, we put th, and we end that one with \th. And inside this one, we are going to write what header we are going to put. And since we are going to create 3 rows, actually 3 columns, we are going to repeat it thrice. Okay, one more time, and again another time. Okay, and we have like in a row we have 3 columns, and we are going to need another row. So basically 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay, I copy paste the entire thing. Okay, now we have created 2 rows, 3 columns. But okay, this is first 3 columns for header, because we only are gonna have 3 headings, and the other one are gonna be what is in this table. Actually, so it's gonna be 3 row, 3 row, 3 columns. Okay, this one is TD, because only table header has to th. This is TD, 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 and I'm gonna copy this another time because we are gonna need one more row. Okay, paste. That's full of TD. Okay, table header. First one, we are going to write the name of the movie star. Okay, and what's the movie, and then who they love. Who they love. Okay, these 3 things, and then in the first one, we are going to put the name of the person. The first one is Natalie Portman. Sportman, and she played in Garden State. And who does she love? I put my name right here, Taliban. And then again the second one, Rachel McAdams. Rachel McAdams. And what movie she played? Mean Girls. And who does she love? And again I put my name. Okay. Now we have created a table with 3 rows, 3 columns. In the first row, we are going to have the name, movie, and who they love in the header. That's why we put th. Okay, and the others are going to be inside the other columns, other rows. Okay, now let's go ahead and serve this one. I put this one as okay. Let's say movie.html, movie.html, and I serve this one in my desktop, and that's it. Now I should see that here. We want that one in HTML, and now when I open, it appears like this. Now that's what we want. 3 header: name, movie, who they love. Both three are becoming bold and header. Okay, bold and going on the top, and others are the other things. Okay, that's how we put a header on a table. We had just type th \th, and we had to put it like this. And that's all about this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.